Today, I'm going to teach you how to use custom labels in formula fields in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want to reference reusable text values across multiple formula fields without hard-coding them each time, making your Salesforce setup much easier to maintain and update. Let's start by accessing Salesforce Setup. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, then select Setup from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the central hub where you can configure all aspects of your Salesforce organization. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Type Custom Label into the search bar. This will filter the setup options and help you locate what we need quickly from the results. Click on Custom Labels. This is where you'll create and manage all the reusable text values that can be referenced throughout your Salesforce instance. Now click on the New Custom Label button to create your first custom label. You'll see a form appear where you need to fill in some basic information. In the name field, type formula_label. Then in the value field, enter sample text. This value is what will actually appear wherever you reference this custom label. Once you've entered both fields, click Save to store your new custom label. Your custom label is now ready to be used anywhere in Salesforce. Next, we need to create a formula field that will use this custom label. Look near the top of your screen and click on Object Manager, which should be located beside the Home tab. This section lets you manage all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce org. From the list of objects, select Account. This opens up all the configuration options for the account object. Now click on Fields and Relationships from the left sidebar. This is where all the fields associated with the account object are stored and managed. Click the New button to start creating a new field. You'll be asked to choose a field type. Select Formula from the options and click Next. Formula fields are calculated fields that can reference other fields, labels, and perform various calculations. On the next screen, enter sample text info in the field label box. This is what users will see when they encounter this field. Now select text as the formula return type, then click Next. The return type determines what kind of value your formula will produce. Here's where the magic happens. In the formula editor box, type $label.formula_label. This syntax tells Salesforce to pull the value from the custom label you created earlier. Once you've entered the formula, click Check Syntax to verify there are no errors. If everything looks good, Salesforce will confirm the syntax is correct. Click Next to proceed to the field level security settings. Here you can select which profiles should have access to view this field. Choose the appropriate profiles for your needs, then click Next. On the following screen, click Next again to move to the page layout selection. Finally, select which page layouts should display this new formula field. Once you've made your selections, click Save. Your formula field is now live and will display the text from your custom label. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom label and referenced it in a formula field. This approach makes it easy to update text across multiple fields by simply changing the custom label value once. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.